my name is Sarah Rae. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is requested by my dad. If you did not watch the video of where I was or the video of the monkeys, then you probably do not know, but my dad did pass away in September, and a few months before he passed away, he asked me to look at these two songs that we are doing today, and I thought today of all days is the perfect day to look at those two songs. It is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and even the single mothers as well. So today we are looking at Cream, White Room, and Three Dog Night, The Show Must Go On, and yes, the show must go on. I miss my father dearly. This is his hoodie, so I'm honoring him in multiple special ways today. Like I said in my other videos, he loved my YouTube channel. He loved hearing about it. He loved hearing about you guys, and so before I get all emotional, let's get into this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. Okay, so what I think this song is about is maybe a breakup that happened, isolation, maybe. Definitely a breakup though, and isolating himself and maybe recovering from that, I think is what this song is about. Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below, and let's move on to the song itself. Clapton, goodness. The guitar was incredible. Of course it was. It's Eric Clapton. That man knows guitar. You know what I mean? And that guitar tells a story of itself, all its own, and it was incredible. Especially the ending there was phenomenal, with the drums joining in and everything all together was just beautiful ending. It really was outstanding. Bit of a psychedelic type lyrics there. I really enjoyed that. I also enjoyed the falsetto part of the vocals. I thought that was interesting touch. Very, again, outstanding, like I said. I really enjoyed the time signature changes, where it started in one time signature and then changed to another one and then went back and forth between the two. I really enjoyed that. But yeah, that was outstanding and I really enjoyed it. The vocals were killer. Just the song itself overall was wow. It was fun to listen to is what it was. It really was. So let's move on to Three Dog. Okay, so the first song we are going to listen to out of the two is White Room by Cream, which I know is Eric Clapton's band. And I love Eric Clapton. So I'm really excited to see and hear this song. I shouldn't say see because I'm not looking at anything. But let's get into this.
Near the station, black roof country, no gold pavements, tired starlings, silver horses ran down moonbeams in your dark eyes. Dawnlight smile on you leaving my contentment. Away As I walked out, felt my own need just beginning. I wait in the queue when the trains come back. Lie with you where the shadows run from themselves. At the party, she was kindness in the hard crowd. Consolation for the old wound now forgotten. Yellow tigers crouched in jungles in her dark eyes. She's just dressing goodbye windows, tired, starving. I'll sleep in this place with the lonely crowds. Lie in the dark where the shadows run from themselves.
Okay, I can definitely see why my dad likes that song. Most definitely. Alright, give me a second, let me gather my thoughts, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I think this song is about is maybe a breakup that happened, isolation, maybe. Definitely a breakup though, and isolating himself and maybe recovering from that, I think is what this song is about. Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below, and let's move on to the song itself. Clapton, goodness, the guitar was incredible. Of course it was. It's Eric Clapton. That man knows guitar. You know what I mean? And that guitar tells a story of itself, all its own, and it was incredible. Especially the ending there was phenomenal, with the drums joining in and everything all together was just beautiful ending. It really was outstanding. Bit of a psychedelic type lyrics there. I really enjoyed that. I also enjoyed the falsetto part of the vocals. I thought that was interesting touch. Very, again, outstanding, like I said. I really enjoyed the time signature changes, where it started in one time signature and then changed to another one and then went back and forth between the two. I really enjoyed that. But yeah, that was outstanding and I really enjoyed it. The vocals were killer, just the song itself overall was wow. It was fun to listen to is what it was. It really was. So let's move on to Three Dogs. Okay, I'm just gonna go straight into it. So I get it. I get the whole circus thing. At first I didn't, and I don't know how I felt about it. And the more the song goes on, I really started enjoying it once I really understood everything that was going on. And so the whole circus theme is the whole like circus of showbiz, right? I'm just jumping straight in again. I do this sometimes when I get excited. What do I think the song is about? The push to continue in showbiz and everything. And it could even be in life, but through exhaustion and heartbreak, etc., is what I was picking up through the song as some of the elements he was talking about. But I'll show you what the cat's doing. Hold on. Hello. being a little girl. But that's what I think the song is about. When we move on to the song itself, like I was saying, the whole showbiz thing, I mean, he's saying like the circus and walking on a wire, and he's using circus elements to define showbiz, and I really enjoyed that element once I put the pieces together. The lyrics were really intense and dark. His vocal range was incredible. Hi, baby. I mean, it's Three Dog Night. They're just incredible, and their songs are just so unique and masterful. This song is very real and truthful of the matter of what it's like to go through show business and whatever show business you're going through, whether it's music or acting or sports, whatever it may be. It was just incredible. So was this song. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed both songs. My dad knows how to pick. But yeah, let me know your opinions on the two songs, what you thought initially and what you think now after hearing my opinions. I want to hear your opinions on the songs itself and what you think they're about. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Father's Day again. Stay safe and well, and I'll see you in the next one.